Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy you guys are here. Today I'm going to be teaching you and walking you through on how you can achieve this sultry purple burgundy smoky eye with a metallic purple lip. I was definitely feeling very sultry, very smoky. I was just in that kind of mood today, so I wanted to share this look with you guys. It's very simple. I used 3 eyeshadows for this look, and I'm using the new Morphe and JACLYN Hill Vault palette. This is the BLING Gloss palette. Anyways, I'm using this new palette today. Super beautiful, and I'm excited. So if you guys are interested in learning how to achieve the look, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. So we're starting off with a clean base. Literally nothing on my face. Well, my eyebrows are done. They've been carved out. They've been snatched. Anyways, my skin is feeling very dry. I just washed it. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin C face base. And before we start working on the eyes, I just want to apply a light layer of this, just because my skin is feeling so dry. Before we officially start the tutorial, I'd like to introduce my new friend. Let's name her Patricia. So we are going to start off with the eyes. Surprise! I always start off with the eyes. We're going to go ahead and prime it super quick with a concealer. I'm just using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Use any concealer that really works for you, just a good concealer that's gonna give you full coverage on your eyelids. All right, and then we're gonna lightly, very quickly blend this in with our finger, making sure we get the entire eyelid area covered. We're gonna move straight into eyeshadows. I haven't been setting my concealer on the eyelids. Eyeshadows have so much more pigment that way, and it's just a thing I've been doing. Anyways, today I'm feeling something very purpley, so I'm gonna use the Morphe and JACLYN Hill Bling Gloss palette. I was saying that wrong so many times in one of my latest reviews on this palette. Triggered me to death. Anyways, we're gonna use it today. Not sure exactly what color range I want to go for, but girl, we're gonna get it done today. We're going to take the color Hush Hush, which is a dusty mauve, and we are going to throw this into the crease. You just want to make sure that you blend this all throughout the crease. You want to make sure that it's evenly applied in every area of the crease. Next, we're going to go into the shade Mystic, which is a very deep burgundy color, and we are going to apply this very generously in the crease. I want this to be the main color that we see. I'm actually going to switch brushes really quick. I'm moving over to a Japanese cut crease brush. Our next color I'm super excited to use. It is Berry Treasure, and it's a matte black with red shimmer throughout. Super excited to use this color. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm going to mist a flat shader brush with that spray, and we're going to pack this onto the eyelids. I don't know if the camera is picking up all of the beautiful glitter in this eyeshadow, but it is so pretty. Guys, I have to share these lashes with you. I've been obsessed with them. Like, they are the best lashes I've ever tried. These are the Lash Couture lashes from Kiss, and this is in the style Bustiere. It is amazing. They are beautiful, so wispy, so full, and they just complete any eye look. I'm like addicted to these right now. So we're gonna pop these on to finish off the eyes for now, and we'll get onto the face. So moving on to the face, we already primed with the Bobbi Brown face base, so we're good to go. So we're gonna jump right into foundation. Today I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup. I'm in the shade 3.0. I really like this foundation because it looks natural and fresh, yet it's perfect for like full glam days and no makeup days. So I'm gonna go in with a pump of that and we'll see how far that gets us. Anyways, it blends beautifully. It looks really fresh and lasts really well throughout the day. It is a little orange for me right now, but it matches my neck perfectly, so it's all gonna work out. And we're gonna blend lots of foundation over our friend Patricia. Time for concealer. I'm going to be using one of my favorite drugstore concealers, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm using the shade Ivory today. We're gonna click it up and then we're gonna apply. And we are going to blend everything out with our beauty blender. I just love how that concealer melts right into your skin and oh, it just makes you look flawless. And if I can look flawless for $9.99, I'll take it. Next, I'm going to bronze my skin up. I'm going to use the Milani Soleil Baked Bronzer. Oh, this is actually the baked bronzer in the shade Soleil. So we're gonna use a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna use it just to bronze, not contour. So I'm going in with a super light amount with my Morphe M143 Deluxe Fan Brush. And I'm literally just gonna dust this along the cheekbones very lightly. That actually looks good. Let's just contour that today. One less product to use. I'm gonna take this and I'm literally gonna apply it like everywhere that I can. We're gonna make sure we get the top of the forehead, the sides of the face. You definitely want to bronze your neck. Let's go ahead and bake our concealer. I'm gonna use my favorite drugstore powder. This is the Airspun Translucent Face Powder from Coty. We're gonna get a bit of this and we're gonna do a little bit of baking. Gonna dab, dab, dab my beauty blender in there and we're gonna apply it wherever we want our concealer to last. Basically everywhere. So I'm just focusing this on the under eye area. We're going to finish off the eyes. Normally I would go in with like a black eyeliner in my waterline, but since we're using purples, I'm gonna use a purple eyeliner today. I'm going in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Voodoo. It's really pretty. It has a purpley tone to it, but it looks like it has a little bit of silver, purple silver glitter in there. So we're gonna apply this in our waterline. Oh, that turned out really pretty. It's like a nice, pretty pop of color. So we can move on to our lower lash line. Are you guys ready? If you're ready, I'm ready. So we're gonna take Hush Hush, that dusty mauve color, and we are just going to apply this on the entire lower lash line. The top half of our eyes is very smoky, so you wanna make sure that it's even and that the lower lash line is equivalent. And then I'm going to take Mystic, that burgundy color we used, and we're gonna push this up on the lower lash line. Since it's a really dark color, I don't wanna be too crazy and blend it out everywhere. I want to press it where I need it to go. And then once I've placed it, we can buff it out. And we can go ahead and wipe away all of our powder. Make sure you get all of the fallout off. Spent too much time blending out my concealer to get fallout on it. Beautiful. Today, guys, we're doing something really, really different. Like, this is something I never do. We're gonna highlight. I never don't highlight. It's just not a thing. It's not in my vocab and it's not part of my life. Anyways, for our highlighter today, I'm using the Smashbox and Vlada MUA collaboration collection. This is their Petal Metal highlighter. Super gorgeous. I am going to start off by applying it in my inner tear duct, because we have a lot of matteness going on the eyes. You can also use it to highlight your Cupid's bow. Why do I have fallout on my chin? Girl, that ain't okay. Anyways, we may proceed. We're gonna go to the Cupid's bow, and if you like, if that's your thing, you can do the nose. And of course, we are going to apply it on the cheekbones. I'm using the MORPHE G23 fan brush. And I'm gonna amp up the intensity with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And for our blush today, I'm going to use the Smashbox Blush Rush in Chiffon. And we'll use our Sigma F30 large powder brush to sweep this on the cheeks. This will look really pretty with the highlighter. Has the same mauve-y pinky tone to it. So I have a lip color in mind, but I'm not sure if it will work. We're gonna try it anyway. This is from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick in I Don't Desert You. I mean, it'll come off, it's makeup. And that completes the makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. This is definitely something very bold, but it's very beautiful, very sultry. I'm feeling it. It's a mood. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the future posts that I make here on my channel. Make sure that you guys follow me on my social media pages. I'll have them in the corner above in the screen and also in the description box linked below for you guys, so you can go check it out, go follow me, go check out all of my other makeup looks that I don't upload here on my channel. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.